Okay children, today we are going to discuss about the food. Already we discussed in the last class about the food, why we have to eat the food to get energy, to stay alive, to stay strong. For these purposes, we should take the food in everyday meal. And how many times per day we are eating? 3 times. In the way of 3 times we are eating the food for getting energy, to stay alive, to stay strong, to do our work easily. Without eating food, we cannot do our works properly and fastly. So for that purpose, we should eat the food. So this is our last class, and this food in how many ways we are taking? In the lunch, during breakfast time, lunch time and dinner time. Is it? So same food items we are not eating. You have to mind that thing. So next, what are the sources? From where we are getting the food? I told already, that is from the plants and from the animals, and some kind of obvious foods also we are eating. Is it? So already we discussed in our last class. So this is our previous topic. Today we are going to discuss about, do we like to eat tasteless food? No. We like to eat tasty food. Why? Without taste, without any taste, we can't able to eat. We do not like to eat, first of all. Is it? So for that purpose, we make the food tasty. Afterwards, we will go to eat. Is it or not? Yes. All the people is like to eat the tasty food. So how we are getting the tasty food? By the cooking. While we are preparing any kind of food, we are adding some kind of ingredients. It's the new word, ingredients. Ingredients. We are eating the food without that food should be in the proper way, and it should be in the complete taste. How we are getting the tasty food means by the adding of the ingredients. By the adding of ingredients. Ingredients means these are in Telugu we will call Sugandha Dravyalu. Ingredients means Sugandha Dravyalu. We know very well about that. So which kind of food items we are preparing? So many kinds of food materials we are preparing. So suppose any kind of chutney, any kind of curry, if we want to prepare, we will go to add ingredients. By the adding of the ingredients, we are getting the tasty food. Without adding these ingredients, we do not get any tasty food. So for that purpose only, we will add the ingredients to our food. It becomes tasty. Afterwards, we will enjoy yummy food. We will enjoy. So if your mother is preparing any tasteless food, means how you feel? Yes, mummy, it is very tasty. You will say, no. What you will say? Oh, mummy, what is this? What you kept for me? It's not tasty, no. Then how you are preparing this? You are not prepared nicely. You will say. So for that purpose only, what mother she prepared the food? How she prepared the food? By the adding of some ingredients, that food will get some kind of tasty. So for that purpose only, we are adding the ingredients. So ingredients means, first you have to notice. Ingredients means what we are adding. What we are adding while preparing any food. While preparing any food, that is helps to give a tasty food. By the adding of ingredients, our food will become tasty. Without adding ingredients, we will not get tasty food. You have to notice that. Okay? So ingredients means what we are adding while preparing any food. What do you mean by ingredients? What we are adding while preparing food. By the adding of that ingredients, we will get the tasty food. We will get the tasty food. So once open your textbook, page number 3. That is the table is having here in the textbook. Which food items you like, required ingredients. Paisam. If you wanna make a paisam, what you will add? In the paisam, what you will add, Nana? Milk, kismis, and so many kind of ilachi. Some kind of food items. Some kind of ingredients you will add. After you will get tasty and yummy paisam you will get. Is it or not? Yes, chicken curry. When it is in before cooking chicken, how it will looking like? Is it will giving any kind of smell? Yes, it will get. We will get some kind of smell, that is umami smell. Because it is not giving any sweet smell or any spicy smell or any kind of smell, it will not giving. It is giving one kind of smell, that is umami smell. So we are not interested to eat before cooking anything. So like this way here, chicken also you are liking more and more that chicken curry So while preparing chicken curry, what you will add? First you will take the chicken, afterwards you will clean it. After, what you will add? You will add so many kind of ingredients like masalas. Next you will add some kind of tomatoes, and you will add some kind of coriander leaves also. Coriander leaves, you know that kothimira, you know that mint leaves also we will add. After adding of these all kind of masala and some kind of corianders and mint, our chicken curry will prepare. Afterwards we will enjoy the chicken curry. Is it or not, Nana? Yes, we will get the tasty curry. How we are getting the tasty chicken curry? By the adding of ingredients. By the adding of ingredients. See here, palli karam. You know, for the preparation of palli karam, what you will take? Palli karam. For preparation of palli karam, can you think what we need? Yes, we will need red chilies, and groundnuts, red chilies and groundnuts, and some kind of ingredients like jeera, and we will add some kind of curry leaves also. So by the adding of these ingredients, we will get the tasty palli karam. Without adding these ingredients, we will not get any tasty palli karam. Not only palli karam, any kind of food we should add while cooking or while preparing anything. We will add the ingredients. By adding the ingredients, we will get the tasty and yummy food items. Okay. Without adding any ingredients, we will not get any tasty food also. You should mind it. And next, so once open your page number 4 in the textbook. In your previous class, what we will learn? So many sources to get the food. So many sources are there to get the food. So many sources are there to get the food. Sources is nothing but which are providing the food for us. Which are providing food for us. So see here, if that source is coming from any plant, means you have to keep tea. After otherwise, if it will give any kind of if you will get any kind of food material from the animals, means you should keep A. And not only plants, not only animals, we will get other food also. So then you should keep other. See here in the textbook, 4th page, ingredients, plant, animal, others. So name of the plant or animal. Cooking oil. Where we are getting cooking oil? Can you guess? From where we are getting the cooking oil? ingredients. So keep your textbook in front of you. After you have to complete the table. I will give some examples. The remaining examples are given in the textbook. You should fill up these two columns. Okay. What is the first ingredient? Cooking oil. Cooking oil. What is that? Cooking oil. We are preparing so many items with the help of the oil only. No. Without the oil, we cannot prepare anything. Mainly curries. Is it? Rice is there means we will add some water. We will cook. Without ingredients, without oil, we cannot able to cook the curries. So you have to notice that. Cooking oil. It will get. We are getting from either plant or animal or others. This cooking oil from where we are getting? With the help of the plant. So you have to keep P mark. So what is the name of the plant? Means palm oil plant. Palm oil plant. Next, honey, chips, turmeric powder, then salt, the next duff. See here, these are the ingredients. We will get these ingredients either from plant, either from animal, either from others also. See here, this cooking oil we will get with the help of the plant. The name of the plant is palm oil plant. And the next, honey. Where we are getting the honey? It is other, it is not an animal. It is a other, means insects. It's not an animal. Honeybees are not animals, no? So, honeybees. The next, chips. You know, bingo chips. Next, that so many tangles are there, no, Nana? That chips, potato chips are there, tomato chips are there, so many kinds of chips are there. No, Lay's packets in the shops are available, no? So how we are preparing the chips? That chips material, potato, it will get from the plant only, no? So P. With the help of the potato only, they are preparing the chips. So we should give the P mark. Which kind of plant? That is potato plant. If it is a tomato chips means that is tomato plant. Have you got my point? Have you understood what I told? See here, this is the chip. It is also one kind of ingredient. So we will get it from the potato plant, and the name of the plant is potato, and from the tomatoes also we are getting the chips. Next, turmeric powder. Turmeric powder. Pasupu, you know, turmeric powder. This turmeric powder also we are getting from where? From the plant only we are getting. So we have to give P mark. What is the name of the plant? Turmeric plant. The next, salt. It is the other. It is not getting from the plant. It is not getting from the animal. So it is considered under other. What is the name? It's a kind of mineral. Next, duff means pindi, goduma pindi, like that chanaga pindi is there, no. So that is the duff. This duff is also we are getting from the plants, wheat plants. So we should give P mark, and name is wheat plant. So the remaining examples you should complete. The remaining examples after up to duff I gave, meat, rice, eggs, sugar, peanuts you should complete. So what are the sources here? Plants, animals and others also. Is it? Which parts we are using? In the plants what we are using? Leaves and roots, fruits and flowers. So from the plants we are using these parts as a food. Animals, like a hen is there, no, it will give chicken. Our roosters also means, roosters means what? Roosters means Natukulu is there, no, Nana? So they are also giving meters. And it will give eggs also, is it? And some kind of ships also there, no? We are using their meat, means it is called as a mutton. All members like to eat mutton, chicken, no? So that we are getting from the animals. So these leaves, roots, fruits, flowers we are getting from the plant. So these are the sources. From these sources we are getting the food. Why we have to take the food? To get the energy. Everything provide the energy for us. And next, some more ingredients I will show with the help of the textbook. Once open the page number 5. These are the ingredients what we are adding while preparing or while cooking any kind of curries. So this is cloves, means lavangalu, you know very well. And next ilachi, you know very well that ilachi in Telugu, what we call, you have to notice that. Yalukalu, and these peanuts and almond nuts are there, and here cashew nuts are also there. Here also some kinds of fruits are available, and these are also belongs to one kind of ilachi, and this is one kind of bark, means dalchina chekka. So next some kind of biryani leaves also available here, and these are also looking like a mint leaves also, na? By the adding of these all kind of ingredients we will get the tasty and yummy food. Without adding these ingredients we will not get in any kind of tasty food, and they are also giving some kind of energy also to our body. You have to notice. Next, table 4 is there, Nana. Name of the plant, part that we eat. Here he is giving the plant names, which part we are eating that. So from some plants we are eating leaves, from some plants we are eating the roots, from some plants fruits and flowers. In the table 6 you have to notice one thing. Here name of the plant he is giving, that is a fenugreek, menthulu. From this fenugreek plant, which parts we are using as a food? From the fenugreek plant. From the fenugreek plant, which parts we are using as a food? Leaves and seeds. Is it? The next, mustard. Not mustard, mustard. Mustard means avalu. It is a kind of seed. It is also provided from the plant. And next, sugar cane. What we are eating? Which part we are eating? Stem we are eating. Is it or not? Next, carrot. From the carrot plant, which part we are eating? From the carrot plant, which part we are eating? That stem only modified as a root. That root only we are eating. Root we are eating. Next, onion. Which part we are eating? Whole the part we are eating. That is bulb. Next, cabbage. Cabbage. We are eating leaves. That cabbage plant totally modified as a leaves. So that leaves only we are eating. Then next, Asafoetida. Asafoetida. Ingua. We are getting Asafoetida from the Asafoetida plant. We are getting the seeds. That seeds, if we will get crushed into powder, that powder we will add in pulihora and in some chutneys also we are adding. By the adding of this Asafoetida means ingua, it will help to increase our immunity power also. That this is the pronunciation is Asafoetida, Asafoetida, Asafoetida. Okay, this in Telugu we will call ingua. This is the ingua. So these are the name of the plants. So from these plants, which part we are using as a food? Which part we are eating as a food? From the fenugreek plant, we will eat the leaves, seeds. From the mustard plant, mustard means avalu, we will eat seeds. And next, we will eat sugarcane also. That from the sugarcane plant, which part we are eating? Stem we are eating. From the carrot, this is also one kind of plant. So from the carrot plant, which part we are using as a food? Root. Onion. So which part we are eating? We are eating bulb. Cabbage. Which part we are eating from that cabbage plant? Leaves. Next, Asafoetida. It's a kind of powder, and but that powder we are getting from the seeds that from that Asafoetida plant. You have to notice that and you have to keep in your mind. Then next we will go through our next topic is and next some kind of that ingredients we are getting the plants from the plants. So many parts we are using like leaves, seeds, fruits, flowers. We will add. We will use as a ingredients. Our next topic is how people develop food habits. 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 See here now. How people develop food habits. This is our topic. So, see here, in our country, so many states are there. Is it? All the countries are not eating same kind of food. They are prefer to eat different kinds of food. Why? Because throughout the world, the weather, climatic conditions are very different. Vast different is there. So for that purpose only, somebody habituate to eat one kind of food, and some state people habituate to eat some kind of food. See here, the best example in our India, most of the farmers, which kind of crop cultivate? Which kind of crop cultivate by the Indians? Mostly paddy crop. Means rice. Our Indian people like to eat rice. Why? Because why they are cultivating only paddy crop? Why? Because our Indian weather and climatic conditions are very helpful to grow and give more and more production in the rice crop only. So for that purpose they are habituated to cultivate the what kind of crop? Paddy crop. And next, that food only they will habit. That food, which food they are habit to eat? Rice. Why? Because in our India the weather and climatic conditions are very suitable to grow and give more production in the rice. Suppose in Rajasthan and Maharashtra people like to eat only roti, means chapati. Is it? Why that people habituate to eat chapati and roti? Why? Because in their state that wheat crop only they cultivate. More and more people, vast people like to cultivate the wheat crop. So for that purpose that state people like to eat only roti and chapati. Why? Because that weather and climatic conditions are very suitable to cultivate the wheat crop. So for that purpose only they like to eat roti and chapatis as a food. Like this way that people take their staple food, means common food. In the India, rice is the common food. In the Maharashtra and Rajasthan, they like to eat only that roti and chapatis. Why? Because wheat crop more and more populated there. And next, for next classes we will learn how to prepare the food items with the help of the ingredients. So from this topic, if you have any doubt, please ask for the next class. And next, from this topic, what topics today we discuss? What are the sources? From that sources, which parts we are used as a food? And next, which the people what they are habituated to eat as a food. Okay, these are the two topics in this class. So about these topics, what questions he will ask means he will ask the ingredients and which parts are used as a food. On the basis of these two topics he will ask. So read the lesson, page numbers. Read the lesson, page numbers 4, 5, 6. You must and should read 4, 5, 6 pages. And next, open your material. You have to read the first question from the material. What you have to read? From the material, what you have to read? First question, second question, third question, fourth and fifth questions. These all the questions you have to read and write. Okay. If you have any doubt, send that doubt. Okay. From the material, you have to read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 question answers. From the textbook, you have to read page number 4, 5, 6. Thank you.